Introducing the 2021 version. ASUS Vivobook Laptop L210, the perfect companion for your productivity needs on the go. With its ultra-thin design, this compact 11.6-inch laptop is powered by an efficient Intel Celeron N4020 processor, delivering fast performance wherever you are. Featuring a 16:9 aspect ratio and a QWERTY keyboard layout, the ASUS Vivobook Laptop L210 offers a sleek and user-friendly experience. Its HD slim display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 ensures clear and vibrant visuals for all your tasks. Equipped with 64GB eMMC flash storage and 4GB DDR4 RAM, this laptop provides ample space for your files and smooth multitasking capabilities. With Windows 10 in S mode and 1 year of Microsoft 365 Personal, you'll have access to a wide range of software and productivity tools. Not only is the ASUS Vivobook Laptop L210 powerful, but it is also incredibly slim and portable. Measuring only 0.7 inches thin and weighing just 2.2 pounds, it can easily fit into your bag without weighing you down. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Compatibility should be checked before purchasing. Get the ASUS Vivobook Laptop L210 MADB01 now and stay productive no matter where you are. Amazon.com offers a 30-day return policy for a full refund if the product is defective, damaged, or unopened.